beautiful place, beautiful nature, amazing place. A girl is walking in the woods. Beautiful girl with this equipment on his shoulder, just walking. And you see a ground, a plain ground. He saw beautiful places to camp, and he down her equipment and ready to build it. Now he's now ready. The rain is coming, so she must open her equipment and build his tent to raise. He was solo, try to do all he can. The tent is ready to build, and now she connect it one by one. He adjusts the post. Now the tent is now standing, said the sun. The rain now is coming. The air is very warm. There's another sign for rain is coming. She adjusts the tent. She opened it. The tent is so clear sky. You can see the sky even if you are inside. She closed the tent. She opened the other and hold it inside. She must create a door. The sky is coming black. The train is coming, ready to come. She cleaned the ground and she opened another. Just open the zipper and fill it in the side. So there's another open. Now the air is coming. It's a fresh air. The beauty of nature is looking good. The grass has so many water. Surrounding is not good now. She opened her bag and ready to assemble some other equipment. She ran and tried to create air under her bag. She weaved the bag. She could create an air. Turn around, tried to create her bag to air. She failed to create an air bag. And now the air bag is ready. Fill it at the end of the bag. Now she laid down the bag and we said, oh, it's so good to sit here. It's very soft. Wow. I want to sleep, but there's another I can do. Think something. Now I will create again another. There's so many mosquito here, so now I burn the mosquito killer so that the mosquito will go away. I put them in the corner of the tent. The other one, the other corner. Now, mosquito noise, go away. I open another symbol. I will assemble table. So ready to assemble it. Very light, very easy. So paste on the table. The other one. Reusable bag. The other bag now. Tiny bag. You open. He's hungry. He already ate the food and the drinks. Flowers so beautiful. The leaves are green. The flower is black and white. So amazing. There's another one. Oh, look good. The chili. So I do it now. Can I do another? Thank. Ah, it's nice to be here. She ate. And she drank. Open his mouth and drink. Juice. And she ate the fruits. Take another one. What can I do? She shit and open the cooking equipment. And he put charcoal. Maybe she will cook charcoal again. There's another charcoal. He used matches to create fire. There's a fire now. And she burned the charcoal. Burn it one by one. And place it on the screen. And place it in another cooking bag. And she opened the meat. And now she is ready to cook the meat. It's already seasoning. It's hot now. I'll put down the meat on the screen. Now she's ready to cook. Wow, amazing. Very good. Oh, so delicious. Wow. The plate the meat so that the cook is ready. Prep another one. Add some seasoning sauce. I can smell the meat. Very delicious. Oh, the fry is very big. It's ready now. The meat is ready. I will put an oil the cooking bowl and cook some meat again. Fried meat. It must smell delicious. Flip, now it's ready. I will eat now. Add seasoning, some sauce, tomato sauce. Tomato is good for the meat. I will cut it in pieces so that it's ready to eat. Easy to eat now. Wow. So good. It's delicious to eat here. The camping ground. I can eat so much now. He drinks. Oh, the girl is happy. She hit her hands because it's very cold. Continue drinking. I just... Oh, it's very good. Sit and lay down and ready to sleep. Right away. He's tired of cooking and she